I went through a phase in my career where, like, I was too old to play a child, but too young to play a teenager. My mum decided to send me to carpentry school.
This was after you made the movie.
This was after I felt like I was doing pretty good. And mum was like, no. So I went to this school, and I was there, and I was studying. The crazy thing about the course is it's for people who were trying to turn their lives around. You know, there's a lot of ex-cons. There's, like, some tough people in there. And they're all, like, swapping stories and stuff. And then I'm like, yeah, there was this one time on set, my coffee was cold, man. And it was really tough. And I didn't finish the course.